Hello friends, welcome to DevOps Hint. In today's session, we are going to learn how to create pull request and merge code, and second one, how to push local code to GitHub. So firstly, we are going to first point, that is how to create pull request and merge code. So firstly, what is pull request? Pull request lets you tell about changes you have pushed to a branch in a repository on GitHub. Now here I'm using git bash to run run all these commands. So firstly open git bash, and now here I'm creating a directory. That directory I will creating with the name of GitHub demo. So run the command mkdir github hyphen demo. Now cd github hyphen demo. And now if you don't know the location of your folder, then run pwd command. So you can see here the location of your folder. So now I'm going to this location. So you can see here github hyphen demo. So now here you can see here there is nothing inside in my directory. So now I'm creating repository. So we can create repo with the help of git init command. So now run the command git init. So you can see here the message initialized empty git repository. So now let's pull the directory. So firstly go to the GitHub, and you can see here go to your repository or project, that demo project, and in code copy the HTTP clone. And now here run the command git pull in double quote, copy the HTTP clone. So now it's done. So now let's check in our folder. So go to your this location. So you can see here the files, that sample and readme.md. So now we will make changes in this file. So open this sample file, and this is sample file for PHP, Java, Python, and Angular JS. So now save this file, and now go to git bash, and now here now let's run the command git status. So you can see a modified sample.txt. So now we are going to add these changes in our repository. So run this command git add dot. Now run the commit. So git commit hyphen m, and in double quote assign give any meaningful commit. So here I am assigning sample.txt modified. Press enter. So we can see here one file changes, one insertion, one deletion. So now we will push the files in your repository. So now run the command git add origin, and in double quote paste the HTTP clone here. So copy this HTTP clone and paste here. And now next step is git push. So run the command git push -u origin master. My branch name is master, that's why here I am assigning master. So press the enter. So it's done. So let's check. So refresh the page first. So you can see here the commit sample.txt modified. So let's check. So you can see here this is sample file for PHP and Java, and now we have added Python and AngularJS. So it's done. So now we are going to our second point, how to push local code to GitHub. So firstly, clear the screen first. And now firstly run the command git clone and in double quote copy the SSH clone. So go to your repository and go to code and click on SSH and copy this SSH clone and paste in your git bash. And now we are going to in our repository, that our repository name is demo underscore project. So demo underscore project. Then now we are going to create a sample.txt file. So run the command touch sample touch for create a txt file or any file. Now run the command touch sample. Sorry, here is already sample file. So touch php. No, touch demo.txt file. ls for checking our file is created or not. So you can see a demo.txt. So firstly go to this location first, and here you can see demo hyphen project, and in demo hyphen project you can see a demo readme.md and sample.txt. So now we are going to push code. So firstly in demo add this PHP code and save the file. And now we are going to run add command. So firstly run the command git add dot. Then so git commit -m and in double quote give any meaningful commit. So here I'm assigning demo.txt demo file added. Press enter. Create. So you can see a create more demo.txt. So now run the command push. So git push -u origin master. Press enter. So you can see it's done. So let's check. So go to your repository and refresh the page. So you can see here our demo.txt file is added. So let's check. So you can see in demo.txt or PHP code. We can see here. So in this video, we have learned how to create pull request and merge code, and second one, how to push local code to GitHub. So thank you for watching our video. I hope you like the video and it's helpful to you. So please like, share and subscribe our DevOps Sync channel.